the 11 most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. You can eat only a limited amount of food in a single day. To maximize the amount of nutrients you take in, it makes sense to spend your calorie budget wisely by choosing the foods that carry the greatest amount and variety of nutrients. Here are the 11 most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate and cocoa are very high in minerals and antioxidants. Eating them regularly may provide various health benefits. Egg yolk. Whole eggs are so nutritious that they are sometimes called nature's multivitamin. The yolk is where almost all the nutrients are found. Blueberries. Blueberries are very nutritious compared to most other fruits and are loaded with powerful antioxidants, some which can increase the amount of antioxidants in your blood and safeguard your brain. Sardines. Small oily fish like sardines are usually eaten whole, so you consume the organs, bones and other nutritious parts. They contain a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. Liver. Liver is a highly nutritious organ meat containing large amounts of B vitamins as well as other healthy substances. Potatoes. Potatoes contain a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. They are incredibly filling and can provide large amounts of resistant starch. Shellfish. Shellfish are some of the most nutritious animals found in the sea. They are very high in important nutrients like vitamin B12 and zinc. Garlic. Garlic is both tasty and healthy. It's highly nutritious and contains bioactive compounds that have confirmed disease-fighting properties. Seaweed. Sea vegetables are highly nutritious but rarely eaten in the West. They are particularly high in iodine, which is essential for optimal thyroid function. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can eat, containing large amounts of vitamins, minerals, and potentially cancer-fighting compounds. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon is loaded with beneficial fatty acids, protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's a good idea to eat fatty fish at least once a week.